Want to reach massive audiences in the most affordable way possible? Bulk email sending is the way to go. In this video, we'll explain what it means to be a bulk sender, explore its benefits and drawbacks, and cover best practices as well as much more. So make sure to keep watching. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. In email marketing, the term bulk email sender can refer to two different things. One, the tools enabling the distribution of bulk emails such as Mailtrap, SendGrid, Mailchimp, Amazon SES, Postmark, Mailgun, and more. And two, the organizations or individuals sending the bulk emails. For example, e-commerce companies, bloggers, media outlets, and so on. Bulk email sender tools are software that help you send a large number of emails quickly and easily. Meanwhile, the organizations or individuals sending bulk emails usually delegate marketers to use the software and share promotional offers, newsletters, updates, or announcements with a wide audience on their behalf. As bulk email sender entities carry most of the responsibility for the deliverability of their emails, they are also the ones who have to tackle the toughest challenge of bulk email sending: avoiding the spam folder. You see, while bulk emails are a powerful tool for reaching a large audience, they can easily be mistaken for spam if not executed carefully. To avoid the sentence of being classified as a spammer, the key lies in sending bulk messages with intent, consent, and value, as well as following requirements shared by Google and Yahoo, which include authenticating your domain, enabling easy unsubscription, and ensuring you're sending only wanted emails. Besides these tips and requirements, to run successful campaigns, bulk senders also need to know the difference between bulk and transactional emails, as the two email types come with different goals, user expectations, and compliance needs. In simple terms, bulk emails are public messages primarily used for marketing or promotions that are shared with many recipients at once. Transactional emails, on the other hand, are private one-on-one messages which are triggered by user actions and contain important, personalized information such as order receipts or account notifications. So, what should be the first step to take if you're thinking of becoming a bulk email sender or investing in bulk email software for the job? The answer is getting acquainted with the benefits and drawbacks of each. When it comes to taking on the role of a bulk email sender, the benefits you can expect to see include saving money by reaching a big audience affordably, and quickly getting your message out to a large number of people. As for the drawbacks, these will usually be triggering spam filters with high volumes of email, and having to strictly follow regulations like CAN-SPAM or GDPR. In terms of bulk email software, you'll benefit from saving time by scheduling and sending emails automatically, gaining insight into email performance stats, and automatically adhering to most legal requirements through built-in compliance aids. On the flip side, there will also be a few common drawbacks, such as paying monthly or per email fees, tackling a tool's learning curve, and dealing with occasional campaign disruptions due to downtime. As step 2, and the last step before you dabble into any actual bulk email sending, you'll need to dedicate time to learning a few best practices. And while there is a plethora of these to consider, for the start of your bulk email sender journey, the most important best practices include 1. Building a quality email list. 2. Crafting compelling content. 3. Optimizing for mobile. 4. Personalizing greetings and tailoring content. And 5. Regularly monitoring and analyzing performance. By applying these best practices, you'll see stronger deliverability, deeper engagement, and overall greater success with your campaigns. After all, in bulk email sending, the basics make a big difference. Want to learn how to have your bulk emails land in inboxes rather than the spam folder? Check out our videos on improving email deliverability linked in the description. And while you're there, make sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next one.